Welcome back to the Cash App Money Mastery series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your Bitcoin to cash on Cash App. It is pretty simple to do so. All that you have to do is have your BTC or your Bitcoin in your Cash App account. Now I showed you in the previous video how to buy Bitcoin. It's pretty simple to do so. Just enter the amount, click next, and you are going to be able to purchase your Bitcoin that way, or you can transfer it in from another wallet. But once you already have your BTC in your wallet here in your Cash App account, all that you have to do is click on the button where you see sell. That's it. And then you'll be able to sell it. I'll show you how to do that in a second, but you can see here, I have $4.78 worth of Bitcoin, or you can see the actual Bitcoin amount, 0.000120048. And over the past a week, it has gone down a bit. So you can see there, it's gone down 7.46%. So I want to sell my Bitcoin right now. All I have to do is click sell, and you can sell a portion of it. You can sell all of it. You can choose how much you want to sell. If I just want to sell $3 worth, I'll do that. If I wanted to put here that I want to sell more than I have, it's not going to let you. You see this error, right? I can't put 7. I can't put 6, 8, 5. I can put 4. But what I want to do here is click sell again and then press all. Now there's an option here to do it at the current market price, or you can wait for it to go up a bit or to go down a bit. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just something that I'm doing here. So you can use your own judgment. There is risk. All right, so I'm going to go back here and just click all. It's going to sell it at the current market price. So I will click next. It's going to verify my Face ID there. It's going to sell at this price minus the 14-cent Cash App fee that it charges you to sell or to convert your Bitcoin to cash. I will click on confirm. And there you go. I have now sold all of my BTC. I have a zero balance there. And if I go back to my wallet, my cash balance wallet, you can see here that I have $4.61. There is always risk when it comes to this. My risk was $5 and I lost almost 40 cents with the fees and the fact that the price of Bitcoin went down since I initially bought this Bitcoin. So again, do this at your own risk, but this is how I was able to buy and sell or convert my Bitcoin to cash on Cash App. Make sure to watch all of the other Cash App videos where I will show you how to do all of the different functionalities here on Cash App.